Welcome! Today I'm with IKEA Symfonisk picture frame speaker, and I'll show you how you can add other streaming music apps to your Sonos application, and basically how you can play this music through your Symfonisk speaker. So you have to be in the Sonos application and you have to select settings in the right upper corner. Next, you have to go for the services and voice. And in this place, we can add a voice service like Amazon or Google Assistant, but we are not interested about that right now. We have to focus on this option, music content. As you can see, the default one is the Sonos Radio, so you can listen to this one. But you can add the new service by tapping right here. In this place, you can find list of all available services. It's a Tidal. There's also the YouTube Music at the first, Apple Music. We can probably find the Spotify here. Oh yeah, there it is. And the other one like Deezer or Column Radio, whatever. Let's focus on the only one. So we are going to add here the YouTube Music. For example, you have to tap on it, then click to add to Sonos. You can choose that you have already an account or you don't have. For sure, if you want to add the YouTube Music, probably you have account, so that's what we are going to select. Right now we have to copy this code. Click hold, copy, or just remember that or rewrite on your PC or a smartphone. Click to authorize. That's the notification from my focus mode, so you will not have something like that. So you have to tap here, input the code, click next, select your account, accept the permission, and move back for the Sonos application. There it is. Right now we can name our streaming service. Click down and take a look right now. After a few moments, let me just go back. And the Sonos application, when you go for the music, you can find the YouTube Music and we can play song. As you can hear and as you can see, it's working. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.